This man cracked his knuckles every day for 60 years, and you won't believe what happened to him. This man's name is Dr. Donald, and he was always told by his parents never to crack his knuckles. They told him it was bad for him and his joints, but since there was little information out there, he decided to do an experiment to test it for himself. So for 60 years, he cracked the knuckles on his left hand every single day, but not on his right. So after 60 years, he decided to get an x-ray to see if there was a difference between the right hand and the left. And after looking at the x-rays, the doctors were in complete shock, as there was zero difference.